come and talk a few things about it.
My name is Richard. I'm a permaculture graduate for the design course. So I use several techniques to handle my farm. Like here, I have a line for the flowers, which help me to reduce the runoff water. There are mangoes inside here, which help me in fruits. And also when the leaves shed, they help the chickens in getting their food. And those leaves are also like the green manure inside them. Then some bananas inside here, which help me in food. There are the lemongrass line, which help me in to reduce the surface runoff. The lemongrass also help me in in tea. There are maize inside here for food. There is a line for bottle brush around there, which when they come up, they help in reducing the speed of wind entering the farm, and also they act as a windscreen. They reduce the direct sunlight in the farm. There are some sweet potatoes covering the banana pits, which help to reduce the rate of evaporation, which can interfere with the water inside the farm.
Yeah, so this edge, you see, it has been put against the runoff water because the land is sloping like this. So it helps this soil to regenerate itself over time. So in future, this soil will grow, it will come up, so there will be a step here. And then there, that edge, even there is called what? That tree? Bottle brush is also very good with bees. It flowers throughout. So even in future, when you want to add beehives in the system, now the bees will have what to eat plus all the other fruits. Now you can see there's an avocado there, and then there's a tree line there. Yeah, then there's another tree line there. So this ecosystem is coming up, and in future it's going to be very cool, and it's also going to be very productive. And it's using some of the techniques that he learned during the advanced permaculture design course. Yeah. How old is the farm?
The farm is like 4 years by now.
4 years. Yeah. Coming up. You see, they have already started harvesting bananas. They've been harvesting bananas here for quite some time now. Yeah. And these are some of the things that we want different graduates to start. They used to pass some information if something has happened, and they also used to scare away negative spirits or energies. Like now when you are starting here, they were here. You look at my YouTube channel, you see Kisumu City Permaculture Academy 1. When you were starting to build, so they came and they hit the drums and they scared away all the spirits. Now we started. Yeah? Yeah.
All the bad spirits.
All the bad spirits. They scare away the bad spirits.
Spiritual cleansing.